Courier scams. Scammers may imitate well-known courier companies or use fake logos and branding. They may claim to be from a bank, police, or other authority and ask for sensitive information such as PINs, credit debit card details, or account numbers. Victims may be asked to pay a fee for redelivery or customs clearance of a package. Scammers may also ask for personal information such as address or identification details. Protection tips: cautious of unsolicited phone calls or emails claiming to be from a courier company. Verify the authenticity of the caller or email by contacting the actual courier company directly. Police or other authority person will never call you directly. Never provide personal or financial information to unknown callers or email senders. And be wary of requests for payment or fees for delivery or customs clearance. Report suspicious activity to your local authorities and the courier company. For example, FedEx fraud. Fraudsters impersonate FedEx representatives, claiming that your parcel has been seized by authorities for containing illegal items. They may call, email, or text you using fake IDs and numbers to trick you into revealing personal information. Talk like a cybercrime officer or airport authority to making payments. Be cautious of unsolicited calls, emails, or texts from unknown numbers or addresses claiming to be from FedEx. Protection tips: verify FedEx's official channels of communication. Phone numbers. Check the FedEx website for authorized phone numbers. Be wary of calls from unknown numbers claiming to be from FedEx. Email addresses: only respond to emails from @fedex.com. Be cautious of emails with attachments or links from unknown senders. WhatsApp messages. Verify the sender's number and message header. FedEx's official WhatsApp business account is @FedEx. Express in. Never transfer money or share sensitive information in response to unsolicited calls or emails. Report suspicious activities to your local law enforcement authorities and FedEx's customer service. If you really order something, check the tracking page on fedex.com to verify the status of your shipment or airway bill details. Make payments only when you are expecting a shipment. In case of doubts, write to india@fedex.com. Before making any payment, be aware from scammers. Issued in public interest by FDI Labs Classroom.